All right, so today we're going to go over 5 Premiere effects that I use all the time. So the first one is going to be Lumetri Color. So if we go up to our effects and then we type in Lumetri. So when you type in Lumetri, there's a lot of different presets that come up. So you want to make sure to type in color. And then of course in Premiere, you just drag the effect onto the clip. And in Lumetri Color, you have a bunch of just basic color correction options here. And so if you're a colorist, then this is going to be really helpful for you, although I know a lot of people don't like to use Premiere for coloring, but for simple color correction, it works. And then our next effect is going to be just a simple crop effect, which again, drag it over, and then we can go ahead and crop our video there if we need to. And that's the crop effect. And then if we have a video that we want to get stabilized, this is pretty stable, but if we did want to stabilize it, we would go to our warp stabilizer and go ahead and drag that on. And then it goes and analyzes. We delete our crop and Lumetri Color there, and there's different types of methods you can use to stabilize the clip. If the subspace, warp, and smooth motion don't look good, and the framing as well, then you can play with the effects to see which one looks best on that. So again, this one didn't really need it, but that is the warp stabilizer. And then if we want to go ahead and blur, the blur that I use is the Gaussian Blur, it's a simple blur. And then obviously if you have something specific that you need blurred out, you can go ahead and mask it, and that creates a blur for just that specific section. So that is the Gaussian Blur. And then our last effect is going to be an audio effect. It's going to be the hard limiter. If you have audio that's too loud, you can go ahead and limit. What I like to limit is at 12, and go ahead and do that. And so then the audio levels do not go above -12, and it makes sure your audio isn't too loud. And those are the 5 effects that I like to use in Premiere.